Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to make a quick video about my vintage Chanel Pommier watch. I actually bought this watch from an Instagram seller in 2020. She's based in Hong Kong and she's an expert on vintage Celine and Chanel. I will link her down below. It came in very good condition and with the original box, it was basically brand new. So I always wanted a vintage Chanel piece because I think it's more special. This watch was first released in 1987 and I was born in 1988. So now you know how old I am. And they are still making it now, just in different variations, but the prices are very high. Even the vintage Chanel prices now, they just keep rising and rising. So if you want to buy this watch now, at this condition, I think it will be very expensive. I chose this piece because the design is very timeless and classic Chanel with a gold chain, and I'm very happy to finally own it. So as usual, I will just show you some close-up details of the watch, tell you more about it, and then include some mod shots in the end. I hope you enjoy! This is the original box that it came with. As you can see, it's already dilapidated, but anyway, what's important is the watch inside. And this is what it looks like when open. The box has a silk or satin lining and a holder for the watch. Now let's take a closer look. This watch is gold-plated, and as with all vintage Chanel, the gold is very yellow. There are two chains that are soldered together with the lambskin leather going through them. The dial is in an octagonal shape in a black color, and there are no hour markers and no seconds hand. If you're looking to purchase this watch, you need to examine the gold chain closely because usually it will show some rust. This is the clasp that says Chanel. The dial shape is actually inspired by Place Vendôme in Paris, which also serves as inspiration for their perfume bottles. This is the back of the watch, and on one end, you will see a T-shaped metal piece where the size is indicated. This is M. However, this sizing is not reliable because different watches with the size M can have different lengths. So if you are buying this watch, it's better to ask the seller for the exact centimeters. This is the case back, and it says Chanel Paris, Plaque Or, 20 meters, quartz, Swiss made, 1987. When buying this watch, also pay attention to the leather pieces at the back because it tends to unravel or come undone. This is the clasp where the T-shaped metal part fits into. The lock is very secure. On the side, the crown is made of black sapphire cabochon. This is what it looks like on my wrist. Sometimes it turns around when I move, but it's okay because I prefer it to be loose rather than tight. I don't stack it with any bracelets because it's already a statement on its own. This is my favorite way to wear it over a black knitted long sleeves. I think it looks very elegant. So that's it for me, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!